This video is to demonstrate best setup of the Mafell anti-tip fence spacer for the Festool TS 55, Mafell MT 55 and Bosch GKT 55 plunge saws. With the thumb screws on the side and the grub screws in the base backed off, place a device onto the parallel fence, keeping the fixings loose. With the saw and guide rail sat on a flat surface, attach the fence and spacer to the saw. When sure the spacer is loose and resting on the flat surface, you can then tighten the thumb screws. Then, remove the fence from the saw, turn upside down and cinch the grub screws, taking care not to over tighten. They only need to just kiss the parallel fence to take up any height difference and provide support. Over tightening could move the spacer out of proper position held by the thumb screws. If kept attached to the parallel fence, this setup only need be done periodically. The device and fence are now ready to use. It can be used on the right or left of the saw depending on the type of cut and conditions for the cut. Mounted to the right with the waste side or a scrap of the same material for support, it's an easy one-handed cut. To the left, the fence and spacer act as an outrigger balancing the saw, again making for easy, stable one-handed cuts or, if preferred, using two hands for an incredibly stable, comfortable and reassuring bevel cut. The device can be mounted with the thumb screws to the inside of the parallel fence to avoid any snagging or damage to the thumb screws when setting aside. For this reason, the Festool version of the device is designed to have more thread of the thumb screws showing so that they can be loosened or tightened more easily inside the Festool profile. Setup and use is the same for each compatible brand of saw.